Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to change your phone number on your Stripe account directly from your phone. Let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and head over to your preferred browser. For now, I'll open my Google Chrome and navigate to Stripe official website. Once you're on the main dashboard of your account, you're gonna go to the settings menu. Here you can see the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it. Again, choose the settings option. Here you can see the business option at the top. Tap on it. On the account details sections, you can see phone verification option. And there is a verify now button right next to it. So in order to change your phone number, tap on verify now button. First of all, you need to choose your country code and choose your country and enter your number. You will receive a verification code. You can copy the OTP and enter it over here and verify it. As you can see, the number is now verified, and that's it. You've successfully changed your number on your Stripe account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.